Hello everyone, and mostly hello Potti314, and firstly a massive thank you to all of your 5,000 followers and 500 videos. An amazing achievement, what can I say? To honour that, this will be my first ever upload onto YouTube. I have videoed a couple of opens but never uploaded them, so this will be my first, and I thought what a better way to start them by going along with your challenge. So this is my 5-pin padlock. It can't be rekeyed as far as I know anyway. I'm quite new. It's from Smith & Locke, a relatively commonplace from very familiar department high stores in the UK. I'll give it a try with a key afterwards once I've got them unlocked. I haven't tried this a couple of times. I have got it open. I know I can. Whether it happens for camera or not is a different matter, but we'll give it a go. As always, I think when the camera's on, someone's tension or feeling or whatever it is just goes out of the window, and everything feels differently. But we'll give it our best shot. Pretty gentle pins in this as well. I know that they do get jammed up at the front now. Using the Mad Bob reach, as you can tell by how much I bend these picks. It's a bad habit of mine that makes my hand get very tired. Do not copy what I do, but then again, you already know that. Big click there, little click. I think we're nearly there. Bearing that tension on and off. Sticking somewhere where it's going to be blended. Two feels pretty stuck, but doesn't also feel like it wants to move in a minute. Ah, there we are. There's our open. Thank goodness for that. Here are our not particularly exciting keys, but they're in there for you. And this is the proof that it does work on the key. And it isn't a dud. There you go. Core 110. And if we bring this key up, we hopefully can just see that there are 5 pins cut on that key. There we are. Well, thank you very much for the challenge. There's a little cheapy lock that I bought especially for this. We'll see. Hope this is the first video wasn't too bad, and I hope that you Potti314 go on to make at least another 500 more. So on that note, thank you so much. Good luck to the future. See you later.